Okay, hey guys, welcome back to another episode of Treats from Mexico. Listen, if you're watching this on YouTube, you can go to treatsfrommexico.blogspot.com and see our whole collection of videos of Treats from Mexico. But right today, we're going to talk a little bit about breakfast fast food. In the United States, breakfast fast food is a really big industry. Here in Mexico, not so much so. And the reason is because you can just walk right outside your house, or as you're walking on your way to school or to work, you can come by and get one of these and get a quesadilla. It's a puesto de quesadillas. And we're going to get one today. I'm going to show you how little you can spend to get a really great breakfast. All right, so here we are. This is where all the action takes place. This is where they're going to make our quesadilla. I'm going to order a quesadilla, and what I'm going to order it with is the flour of a squash flour. And it's going to be a squash flour quesadilla, so it's going to be the flour with the cheese and the tortilla. And what I want you to see over here real quick is that they're actually making the tortillas here on site. They're not buying the tortillas in a store and then heating them up for us. They're actually going to make the tortilla here. That's fantastic. Am I recording? Yes. All right, that's fantastic. Okay, lo que quiero es una quesadilla con flor de calabaza, por favor.
¿Con queso?
Con queso, por favor. Entonces, podemos ver abajo de este. So what we have here, what our options are we have chicken with potato, we have
Longaniza.
¿Cuál es eso?
Longaniza.
Longaniza, ¿qué es eso?
Es carne de chorizo.
Carne molida.
It's a chorizo, este es res.
Ajá.
So this is beef. ¿Qué es eso? Chicharrón, which is chicharrón de puerco o puerca? De puerco? Okay.
Prensado.
Prensado. And
Champiñones and mushrooms.
so these are mushrooms, and this is potatoes.
Ajá,
And this is
poblano.
spinach.
Poblano, chile.
Quelite.
Y quelites. That's a plant.
Pancita.
Oh wow.
Pancita.
Stomach.
Ajá.
Oh wow. Como
Frijoles.
Frijoles.
Ajá.
Beans.
Y nopal.
Nopales.
Nopales con babas.
Ajá.
Yeah. And the three sauces. There's a green sauce.
No tomatillo sauce.
And then this is a
Manzana.
Chile manzano.
Chile manzano. This has got the medium heat, and this is the high heat. Bring on the high heat.
Sauce.
This is the big stuff. So here we are over here. Mil gracias. So they make the tortilla. They have to press it. Then they have to cook it. So they're going to cook the tortilla. Mira. Yep. Here's the finished product. I put some sauce on it. To eat a quesadilla or taco properly, you have to turn your head, right? For $1, this is the best breakfast you'll ever get. I have a friend here I just met. Oye, tienes opciones en comer desayuno. Puedes comer en la casa o en IHOP o en McDonald's. ¿Por qué come aquí en vez de los otros lugares?
Pues el número uno me gusta, en México le llamamos fritanga, o sea, o antojitos.
Sí.
Está cerca de mi trabajo y es más rápido.
Qué bueno.
Más rápido.
Es más rápido, la verdad. Okay, hey guys, this is another treat from Mexico. Thanks for watching.